Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So I'm actually going to get to do a savings challenge stuffing this month. If you don't know, I did a little side hustle reselling last month. So with half of that money, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to some of these savings challenges. If you're interested in watching me do that today, go ahead and stay tuned. I've got my little budget sheet that shows me what I'm going to be adding to each fund today. I have my savings challenge envelopes here to the side, and I'm using my smaller cash tray just because it saves a little bit of room and I have to open the book to color and stuff. So I am, let's see, I'm going to actually leave those envelopes in there for now. I hope that doesn't make it too visually annoying. So the first challenge we're going to, and if you notice something different, I just went ahead and added tabs. Somebody suggested that so that I could easier flip to the challenge that I need to help kind of speed things up a bit. So very first here, I am doing my $10 challenge, and I will be adding $20 to that today. I don't have this red marker any longer. It was actually a permanent marker. Permanent marker. I shouldn't have been using it anyway. It was bleeding through, so. And I'm just going to grab my $10 challenge envelope here. And I'm just going to be adding two $10 bills, which gives us a total of $50. Looks like we're doing that one in orange. And to this challenge today, I'm actually going to be adding $40. So let me color in 4 little piggies. All right, y'all, I'm taking my time a little bit, trying to stay in the lines. Okay, so we're going to be adding $40 to this $20 challenge today. See what we've got in here. So we have 40 in here, so now we have a total of $80 in this challenge. Up next is our 50 envelope challenge, and to this one we are going to be adding $95. I am adding 25, 25, 5, and 10. All right, so we're all good there. So we are adding $95, so 50, 70, 90, and 95 to our 50 envelope challenge. This one is a little less taxing than the 100 envelope, but also gives you a pretty good amount of money. So in here now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125. Okay, in our search and save, we will be doing number 32. Well, we will be doing $32, and I believe that is number 18 and number 14. So let me find them on here first. This is the fun part, is finding them. So here's 18. And here it is. Okay, found both of our numbers there on our search and save, and we will be adding $32 to this envelope. So there's 20, 30, 31, 32. All right. And here now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, $57. Up next, we are going to work on our Christmas challenge. We are going to be adding $81. So let me color in this top Christmas tree here. So we will now be adding our $81 to our Christmas envelope. There's 50, 70, 80, 81. Let's see what we've got in here. All right, so our new total in Christmas is 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, $131 towards Christmas. And this will just be extra money because you guys already know I have a Christmas sinking fund. So this challenge is just fun to do. One of my faves. And to our self-care challenge, we are going to be adding $57. At our $57. So there's 55, 56, and $57 to self-care. And again, this challenge is just for you to take care of yourself. That means something different for all of us. That might mean paying a babysitter so you and your husband can go out for the night. That might mean a mani-pedi. That might mean buying you a bottle of liquor. That might mean paying for a gym membership. Whatever self-care is for you. 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, $87. And again, stop at $100 if you need self-care now, you know. If not, keep going to the $300 and the $500, and you can do some big self-care. Next is our Lux Challenge. Is to make any luxury purchases or, you know, whatever I deem luxurious. For our luxury challenge, I'm going to be adding 55. We're gonna add our $55 to luxury. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm gonna use this for. It will probably be perfume. I love a good perfume. So there's 50 and 5. This one here now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125. Okay, our Let's Get Away challenge, which is a travel-based challenge, will be receiving $100. So let's see, I could just color in 3 photographs, so I'm gonna go ahead and color in a few items. So we have our $100 for our Let's Get Away challenge colored in. So now let's physically add the money here. So here we now have 100, 120, 130, 135, 140. Me saving for a down payment for a new home. I'm going to be adding $100 here, and because the bottom line is $800 for this one, I won't get to color anything today. So I'm just gonna add in $100 here. So our new total in here is $300. And then our Oh Baby Fund, which again, this is different for different people. So if you're on a TTC journey, if you are just a young person saving, or, you know, whatever age, saving for your first child, this is for you. I know conception is a struggle for so many people, and it can be really expensive. So, you know, as a woman with PCOS, I kind of am sensitive to that fact. So I wanted to have something out there for those of us who need to save up for our first child. Or you just want to be prepared, you know? So, oh baby will be receiving $50. For me, this is saving up. So if I decide that I want to go ahead and freeze my eggs, I want, you know, there to be some resources there for that. So $50 will be a binky. So I'm going to go ahead and color in. So let's go ahead and grab our $50. Oh, there's a 20 back there. So it's 20, 30, 40, and 50. All right, so our new total in this envelope is 100, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 155. Alrighty, and I won't be adding anything to the car down payment. Just I had other places to put the money, so I didn't contribute to that one this week. So that's everything. That's all of our challenges for this week. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. It helps me to grow. Y'all have a really good week. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da ba buy, da ba yeah. Set the potato, da ba da. Boy, yeah, boy, yeah. Sunlight that